Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Paddock Card Skill Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for their support on the last video, the likes, comments, views, thumbs ups. Really appreciate the support. So today is Model Cars and Coffee this Sunday. So first I want to thank Paul for hosting the Model Cars and Coffee. Really appreciate you coming up with that idea, and I know lots of people really love this portion of Sunday. I really enjoyed as well. I'm watching other videos, and it's just a great way to have, come into Sunday, make your video, and of course support others on, you know, whatever they may be showing off. So today I'm going to show off one of my kind of a custom paint that I did. It's this kit here, 66 Galaxie AMT Earl kit, Galaxie 500. I went pretty much custom with my kit. I tried something new with the paint, and yeah. So with that, with all the introductions out of the way, let's have a look at this kit and let me know what you think. Let's get you turned around. Okay, so here's the 66 Ford Galaxie 500 kit by AMT Earl. So as you can see, and obviously you would have seen the thumbnail, this is a custom paint job that I did. I wasn't really trying to be fancy or anything. I seen somebody post up something online, and they screwed up their paint, so they were trying to sand it down because they didn't know how to get the paint off. So they had sanded it. They posted a picture asking for help. And I was like, hey, that looks cool, because he had a primer and it was black, and it looked something like this, but yeah. So anyways, I seen it and I thought it looked cool, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna try something like that. So what I did is I used I went with primer, flat black, the red primer, and then gloss black, or it might have been flat black, I can't remember, and then I cleared it all afterwards. But anyways, once I got the 4 layers on, and then I just randomly started sanding, and this is kind of how it turned out. I really didn't know what it was gonna end up looking like, but some people say it looks like wood. So I just did random sanding. Wasn't really too worried about what it was going to look like. I just thought it was kind of neat, something different. And yeah, this is how it turned out. And then once I did this one side, I tried to kind of replicate the other side the same. Same kind of pattern, I guess you would say, sanding pattern. So I removed all the all the badging and all that. I removed off the body. There's obviously no BMF or anything like that. I lowered the car as low as I could get it without having to do major surgery. I simplified the interior and made a roll cage in there. Parts box, seats, and and you can't see in there very good, but just put some random stuff in there, scratch about some seat belts. So the wheels and tires. So I think that the tires are actually F1 tires. I stole out of a kit. And then I just had these trim rings and these centers. Modified the centers to fit. And I did the centers in the same kind of fashion. Just sanding through. Pretty basic underneath. I did use aluminum tubing for the exhaust. It's pretty rough. I was just having fun with this at the time. I think I'd just come back after my 5-year layoff. So I was just throwing ideas, just having fun. Just parts box decals. And then the kit actually came with this teardrop hood. So I used it. Put some mesh in there. Bored those out in the back here. The air vents. Put some hood pins on it. Yeah, I didn't even sand this. Or I polished it. That was about it. I didn't, or no, I waxed it. I didn't polish it. It was just waxed. Pretty basic engine detailing. I think that's the 428. I think. Pretty sure it's from the kit. But yeah, pretty basic build. Fun build. Really fun, actually. I had a lot of fun with this one. Oh yeah, and I had some MCG Model Car Garage mesh, metal mesh, so I put that in the front. I think that looks pretty sharp. I got that centered and level, and that's pretty much that. Dechromed everything. Ooh, there's a little bit of cobwebs on there. I don't know how that got in the case. So yeah, like I said, I took off all the emblems, just drilled holes in their place. Made door cards just to have it a bare bones interior. So yeah, this one was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed this build. It's kind of what, because when I came back to the hobby, I've been doing some detailed builds, and I was like, didn't want to get back into those builds. I just wanted to do some fun stuff, and this is kind of what came of that. And obviously I succeeded in having fun, and it was, you know, no pressure, don't worry about the detailing, don't worry about the paint too much, just have fun. So this is what came of that, and had a lot of fun doing it. Had a lot of showing it to you guys today, and I hope everyone's having a great rest of their weekend. I got to go back for nights tonight, and talk to y'all soon. Prayers for those that need them. I'll talk to y'all soon. Pat out, model on. Thank you very much.